I'm John from STEL Order. STEL Order is an incredibly powerful tool to streamline your business and simplify your life, so you can do more with less. I'm going to walk you through a typical workflow in STEL Order. Let's start by creating a job. Click on the Jobs tab and on New. Search for your customer or add a new one. Assign your tech. Short description of the problem, furnace not igniting. The assets under management, selected here. And save. In real time, your tech receives a push notification on their cell phone. STEL Order's workflows are completely customizable. You can move to a quote, work order, or work note, or directly to an invoice, which is what we're going to do. So, create the invoice, head over to our products and services catalog, and add the items that you've used to perform the work. Then, short description of the work you've done. I replaced the faulty igniter unit and the flame sensor, and I verified that the furnace is now igniting properly and working perfectly. Save that. Your invoice is done. You can collect a signature from your client right on your mobile device. If you want to take payment with a credit card right on your phone, no problem. Or if you'd like to send that off to your client and allow them to pay online through our integration with Stripe or PayPal, no problem. Tap of a button and it's sent. That's our standard workflow in STEL Order, but there's so much more. Handle all of your products and services through our online catalog. Manage all your customers and your leads with our integrated CRM. Stay on top of your billing with our integrated invoicing function. Keep tabs on expenses with our expense tracking feature. Manage all of your dispatching and scheduling needs with our integrated calendar. And keep tabs on your essential KPIs with our robust reports. We also have additional add-ons like automated tasks to handle scheduled maintenance or recurring billing. Create an integrated e-commerce platform in just a matter of minutes with Shop. And track all of your inventory across multiple locations with our multi-warehouse add-on. And so much more. But don't trust me, check it out for yourself. Head over to STELorder.com and sign up for our free 15-day trial, no credit card required. Thanks for watching.